Hi, patrons. I'm doing a walkthrough of Patreon. This is the web version. I'll also do a mobile version for you guys. Baby Beckett is with me today. I don't have a babysitter. I know you guys don't mind. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen and let you guys see from beginning to end exactly how to work Patreon and get all you can from it, get all the benefits. All right, so you're going to log in. Obviously, if you are already a patron, you know how to do this. So I'm going to log in. So the very first thing you're going to see is anybody that you follow on Patreon, if they have posted something that you have access to in the tier that you have subscribed to, it will show up right here under all posts. Patron only posts are things that Dr. Berry only posts to Patreon. It's not public. Every now and then he will post something publicly. So this is all posts, and this is things that are specific to your level. So either one, it doesn't matter. This stuff will also show up in all posts. So we're going to show all the things that Dr. Berry has posted, and you can just scroll on back. See, there's the bacon chips video. And then over here, you can pick who you want to look at specifically. So if you just want to see things from Dr. Berry, so we're going to go to just pick Dr. Berry, and that's going to make you see everything that he's posted. If you have access to it, it will show up here. If you don't have access to it, it will only show up for those people who are the tier that he picked to post to. So for instance, the Zoom meeting goes out to $20 and above patrons. I'm a $20 patron of Dr. Berry, so I get to see this Zoom meeting question. And here is the Zoom meeting link. This is where you will find all of the Zoom meetings. So he will post this usually about an hour before the Zoom call. And all you have to do is click on the link and open up Zoom. Clearly, this is not a live Zoom meeting, but if you did this, it would just take you to the Zoom call and you would interact over there. So let's go back to the Patreon. So you can just see all the things that Dr. Berry's posted. There's a setting where you can just play the video here. Hello. You don't actually have to go to YouTube. You can watch it right here. Now, if you want to comment, then you will have to open it up in YouTube. Okay, now, so that's the basic when you first log on to Patreon. That's what you're going to see. Now, if you want to go to Dr. Berry's Patreon page, you just click on his little head over here. And now you're on the actual page. He's got things pinned at the top. So, and they're all tagged and stuff. So if you ever want to see things about intermittent fasting, there's things here. The Ketorade video, Zoom meeting past links, and there's just some stuff up here. He probably needs to finish doing that. This looks a little bit less organized than it should be. That's something we'll be working on in the future. All right, now up here, it's gonna say raising your pledge, you unlock exclusive posts. So there's two things that you could get access to if you went up in your patron, but that's obviously not necessary, but just know that's an option. So let's talk about editing your pledge or canceling your pledge. So if you wanna do that, you're going to go back over here to your profile and then go to manage memberships. And here you go. So here's who I have a membership to. It's just Dr. Berry. I can click edit. And I can see that I can go ahead and pay for the year and I can save 10%, or I can choose to pay monthly. Or down here, you see edit or cancel. So you can click there. And then it'll say there are 8 different membership tiers to choose from. So if you want to increase or decrease, that's where you would click. If you want to cancel, you just click cancel. And then it'll take you on from there. Let's say you want to increase or decrease. So we're going to go to the tiers. And here's all the different tiers that Dr. Berry offers. So if you wanted to go from a $3 to a $5 or a $5 to a $20, this is where you would do that. So you just click join and it will automatically update it will automatically update to whatever it is that you chose once you click the update button. So, and then if you're like, oh, wait, what am I getting for increasing to $5 from $3? It'll say you can click show tier description, and that tells you what you get extra. Okay. And then you just click update and you're done. All right. So the other features you get with Dr. Berry's Patreon specifically. All right, so you can click on the tabs up here as well. This is posts. This is going to be stuff that only Dr. Berry posts. My membership, this is going to be a little welcome a welcome memo, all the things you get for your current tier. And then it says down here, if you pay annually, you get 10% off. That's not, you can do that if you want to, but it's not necessary. And then it'll show different tiers down here. And you can join and edit your tier that way as well. Then there is the community tab. Since Dr. Berry's been on Patreon for quite a bit, he gets access to this feature. For those of you following him, you get to use this. So you can post right here. You can just say, hey, and you can share whatever you want to share. So for instance, I am 6 days in to my BBBE challenge, and it's going well. I have a question for any other, so other patrons can see this, but what you need to do specifically, every single time that you post, you have to go right here where it says everyone, you need to click on that, and you have to put patron only, and that makes it not public. So if you don't do that, anybody can come on here and see what you've posted, which most people don't even know this exists. So you're not really at risk, but I do want moving forward, you guys to know that this is how you change that. And then you can post on the website, or if you're on your phone, if you open Patreon in the browser, so not on the app, but if you're using Safari or Chrome, you can actually add an image. So you can pick a photo and click the photo, and then that will be attached to your post. You can only do this on the browser. Like I said, Chrome or Safari. On your phone, you can still do it, just you have to do it on a browser, or you can do it on your laptop, computer, iPad, whatever. As long as you're using a browser, the attach image feature will be there. So then when you click post, I'm not going to post because I'm just doing an example. It will show up in the community tab. So here are the posts from all of you. I'm going to heart that. And this is where you can kind of come and hang out with each other, post questions, share wins, celebrate, post selfies like Miss Tracy's doing here. She looks great. All those kind of things you can do in the community tab. We're really lucky to have the community tab because, like I said, it's not an option to new Patreon communities. So lucky for us, Dr. Berry's been around Patreon long enough that he gets this feature. All right, now for Crowdcast, you are going to see that also show up in the post feed right here. All right, and there's a whole tutorial on how to use Crowdcast, and it's posted for you guys. If you are new, I will try to post this every single month for those of you who are new, so you can get more acquainted with the Patreon site. So this is where you would watch our Tuesday Tribe and our Wellness Wednesday live chats. You can ask questions to Dr. Berry live and share with the group. And also you can chat amongst yourselves as well. It's a good time. So make sure you are taking advantage of that. Now, if you would like to send Dr. Berry a message, here's where you do that. Right here, it says message. All you do is type here, or you just tap right there. And then you can see where Dr. Berry has sent messages. So you get alerted for Zoom calls and those type of things that will show up in your inbox. Or you can say, hey, I need help understanding fill in the blank. Okay, you can type whatever in here, try to make it short, sweet, and concise because he wants to make sure he's answering all of your messages. If you write your entire life story, that's fine, but he's not going to be able to message you back as quickly. So just keep that in mind. So to get to your inbox and see where Dr. Berry has sent you messages, up here in the right-hand corner, these two little chat boxes, you're going to tap there. and that's going to take you to your inbox. So I'm a creator on Patreon, so I have this. You won't have this. You'll just have a patron inbox, and that's going to show you all the messages from Dr. Berry. So they all show up right here, and you can scroll back and see earlier messages. And that's where you're going to get Zoom links, YouTube lives, all that kind of alerts. They're going to go to your inbox via Patreon. Now, you can also get alerts, and this is something that I definitely think that you guys should do. So you're going to click on your profile right here, go to profile settings. When you tap on that, it will take you to this page. And here you can change all your information or whatever. I do your user profile name. If you could make that your actual name, that's better, because then we can really put a name with a face. All right. So then you can go to email notifications, and you can click what notifications you want to get. Here's where you can get all of Dr. Berry. So scroll down to where Dr. Berry is. You probably are only subscribed to him, but you may be subscribed to other people. Go to where it says Kendi Berry MD, and then you can click on all of these. And anytime he posts paid content, something with Patron Lens, which is a feature on Patreon we don't use very much, but it's there. We may use it in the future. Anytime he posts content, when he sends you a message, when new merch is added, updates, reminders about things, you need to have all of these checked to get the most out of it. It will go to the email that you signed up with. So if you use an email that you don't ever check, then you're not going to see these notifications. Also, before you close out of here, make sure that you hit the blue button at the bottom that says update email settings. So you need to use an email that you actually have access to and you are using on a daily basis, and you see these notifications. If you need to change your email, you can change it here to one that you actually check. Okay. I think that pretty much covers most of the things that you need to know. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me or leave me a comment in the community section. I'll try to get to it as soon as I can, or you can message Dr. Berry and he will relay the message to me. All right. I hope this was helpful. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for being here. We appreciate all of you. All right. Thank you so much. Love you, mean it. Bye.